guys. So it has this loudness, guys. So you just press that and just watch the balance. Yeah, the bass, lower the bass. So very nice, guys. And my speakers, that is my studio, those two big ones. Yeah, that is my right there, guys. That's the name of it. Let's see. Yeah, that is my studio Spectrum speakers. Very nice sound, guys. You guys can hear. And I got two JVC up on the ceiling, guys. I mean, you know, and I got Sansui speakers that I use for this one here. So let's I want you to see. I don't know if it's on. It's not on yet. Let's see if I can turn this thing on. I think I shut it off. Yeah. And over here, guys, let's turn this guy on and put it on the FM so you guys can see what the Luxman looks like. This Luxman, guys, amazing, guys. The sound quality of this is just amazing. And I'm using a Sansui speaker for this. Yeah, actually speakers, because they're two left and right. Very nice Luxman, guys. And look at those knobs, guys, compared to other receivers out there. Very nice quality, guys. Very nice. Expensive. I got this for $750 US. And the guy lowered the price down to 100, not 100. He lowered it to $750. He's selling it for $1,000. There's another guy that's selling it for $899 US. Check it out on eBay, guys. If you're in US, yeah, if you're in US, the guy's selling his Luxman like this. But this one is newer. His is a little older, and the case, the wooden case, it's a little dense. Yeah, I'm not really liking that receiver because it's kind of old. But he's selling it for $899 US. If you can get it lower than that, maybe 600. It is your call if you want it. So, but this one I really got it for a good price for $750 US. And look at it, very nice piece, guys. So you put it in AM. Yep. Well, anyways, yeah, it's looking for a signal right there, so you can see. So the AM, I'm not sure. I think I gotta fix the antenna, but this thing works, you know. Very nice piece from Luxman, guys. And up here it's my Marantz. Yeah. So let's go back here. This one right here, it's Poco Sanchez, yeah, or Ponco. There it is, guys. Making a video here with my Sansui, the R70. I replaced my Marantz on top here from here. I used to have a Marantz sitting there, and I have to pull it out. It's because all of a sudden, guys, my my Marantz just, I don't know, just died, and the power, there's no power I press the power button and there is no sign of power. There is no power going into the receiver, and I don't know what's wrong with it, guys, and I have to pull it out. So if you guys know anything about why that happened, like the power is not working or it doesn't turn on, just leave a comment below or leave a message, and I'll read it, and give me your opinion why all of a sudden this thing happens to me twice already. I have my Pioneer SX 7800, or is that SA 7800, and the power just died and it won't turn on anymore. So this is the second time, guys. And the other guy leave a comment below in my other video about my Marantz, and he said you have to remember that this vintage receivers, the capacitors, been running for many years, been decades, so eventually it will die, and so something like that. That's what he was saying. So don't think that it was gonna be it's gonna play forever. Yeah, so I believe him. I mean, it's like a car. When it's really old, then it's gonna die eventually. So I think that's what happened. It's probably the time to replace the capacitors, and if I replace the capacitors, yeah, it's gonna work again. So I'm gonna take that to the repair shop, and I'm gonna let him fix it if he can, and so whatever he'll charge me, then I'll pay him. But anyway, so this is my Sansui right here. I just take over. He takes over with the Marantz for now, and the Luxman right on the bottom, and now it's doing great. So I love this Sansui right here. I got 3 Sansuis, and I have Marantz, couple Marantz left, because the other one just he gave up on me, and I have 2 more Marantz sitting somewhere. So yeah, so for now this is the Sansui. I replaced the Marantz on top here, and it sounds it looks amazing, it sounds amazing. I mean, so it's working, and I don't know, I'm thinking maybe next time I want to get a newer Marantz, like probably couple years old, and it's gonna last for a long time, instead of getting all this vintage. But I like collecting the vintage ones because you've never seen them anymore. Very rare. Same thing with my speaker right here. That's rare, guys. That's Techniques, and sounds amazing, and that's rare. So that's why I like collecting rare stereos and stuff, and I enjoy doing that, because I've never, like this one here, I've never seen this before. So it's just I'm amazed, and I pay like $750 for this, and it's amazing. It has amazing sound, and the quality of the sound of this thing is amazing, guys. And this one right here, so it's gonna be sitting there for now, and it's gonna be playing. I'm gonna be using this for my radio for now, and I will wait until I get the Marantz. So that's it, guys, and quick video here, and thanks for watching, and I'll say for now, bye bye.